What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a vlog. I don't really know what I'm doing tonight, but I'm doing something because it's Friday night and the night is still young and so am I. So your girl's finna do something.
I'm on these bitches' necks, I ain't playing nice. I peeped you bitches out, y'all ain't moving right. How you got 200,000 with 400 likes? Hoes need to read a book instead of booking flights. I see you wearing all your homegirl hand-me-downs, trying to pop shit, living in your mammy house.
I am in the process of getting ready, so this is about to be a mini get ready with me. I already got my outfit on, but I'm not gonna show you until I'm done. But I gotta do my hair, I gotta do my makeup, and then I think I'm done. And then by that time, my ride should be here and we should be ready to go. But I'm gonna take y'all with me on everything we do today. I don't know what we're doing, but it should be fun. I'm gonna come back to y'all once I set this camera up somewhere and figure out how I'm about to be doing my makeup, period. Alright, so since this is not a makeup tutorial and this is not a hair video, I'm going to be fast forwarding all this through and I'm going to play my music, so... I was in the air when I began, if you wasn't mine. Can't admit my shortcomings led to overdraft. I touch myself just thinking about you, yes. And with that Mountain Dew. Get class, I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Whoa, this is that bop right here. You don't know about this. Yeah. Right, this little ride. I think my butt can big. My face is wired icy. Think about what your brains are. Alright, y'all, I'm dressed. I'm about to, I had to go take my Instagram pictures. I'm about to go to the car. This is the fit. Oh God, camera, please don't fall. That's the fit. I ain't gonna wish you on so you can't see it, but y'all gonna see the pictures that I post on Instagram. That's just on period. What's up, Keys? It's 7:53 and we're finally leaving out. But I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to the place, or when we get in the car. Alright, y'all, so we finally arrived at the spot. I'm not gonna tell y'all the name of it or whatever because, you know, for safety reasons. But yeah, so I don't know what I'm about to get. I think I'm about to get the mussels, but then I feel like that's not gonna fill me up. And then again, I feel like we're gonna eat again later on, right? Yes? No? Yes? I feel like we're gonna eat again later on. Ask him if I left my phone. Did I leave my phone? Did he? I don't know.
See, you got it?
He got it? I think I put it under my leg. I don't know. You got it? I feel like we all so far away. I don't like this table. What you getting? You switching it up?
That's what I was thinking.
You should get something fancy. I'm getting something fancy.
What you get?
I'm getting the
I'm getting a burger.
I'm getting the mussels
What's the muscle?
down here. I thought they specials was gonna be expensive, but they're not even expensive. So, cause $15 not expensive. Okay, Daddy, I see you, girl. I see you. Where you at? It's the vlog.
This is vlog.
Is it focused? It wasn't focused on you? There you go. She looks so cute. We on the date, you all. Can you see yourself? Let me see. We on the date. Is that being and was smoking? Why you asking that question? That ain't free. I'm about to get the mussels. You know what you want? I'm gonna get the mussels. Oh, okay.
You want to put in the mussels?
Yes, it's just the mussels, right? It's fully cooked.
Fries to it?
Fries. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. And then do you want the garlic, white wine sauce, or do you want the tomato?
Which one's better?
Garlic, white wine?
Garlic white wine then. I didn't want to get I wanted to get the linguine and clams, but I never tasted clams before, and she said the clams, I never had clams before.
Clams are like the hard ones, right?
Yeah, but she said that the clams is it's not worth it, it's really little. But she said it's good, because everybody, that's why they brought it back, because everybody wanted it. But she said the mussels are really fresh, that's why I got it. Y'all can always taste some of my food. You know?
I think I'm going to get some mushrooms too.
Curry. I never had oysters either. You had oysters?
Yeah, they're nasty. Those are the ones you got, those slimy ones.
Ew, like,
Yeah, like.
oh, I did not mean to say that. No, they say if you take your man to get oysters or something, it's an aphrodisiac. Like, it makes him horny. It looks like, you've seen a vagina. Pretty sure you've been down there plenty of times. He's seen a vagina, y'all.
I'll probably do my knees.
No, get something fancy. Ooh, lamb. I'm getting this, baby. French fries. So that's 15. That's $20. Oven roasted mussels.
Do you have to get a New England lobster roll?
I never had lobster, but yeah.
You ever had them lobster? I forgot. It's this place in DC. They got these lobster rolls. They're
Your makeup look good. Okay, look at you. You showing the. Did you take a picture with a flash? Okay, because I don't want to put the flash on. Did you? Hold on, I'm gonna get a cute photo. Let me see this one. It's a video.
Oh yeah, pretty.
That's cute.
Bro, you can read text? Yeah.
So we going to the hookah spot. You need to look up a hookah spot in Harlem or something, because I don't know like what.
Remember the place I sent you?
We were working Monday.
Did you ever send it?
You sent me.
Yeah, I did.
What was you get?
The hookah spot we went to in DC, they didn't even card us.
Oh, he's not coming? He's not coming? No, he's going with you. That's what we said. How do we see him on Mondays? No, this one said he changed.
We gonna turn this drink back on when the food comes.
It's no. It's no for me. It's okay. It's okay. Do the steak walk. Do the. What is it called? Wait, what is it? My mouth big. So, what do Megan say? Oh, I gotta stay.
And the ratchet and my sometimes when we talk, I don't even say so. Y'all done with us for the night? Y'all don't like us? No? The night has just begun, Dante. The night has just begun. I thought you was driving, Devin. Hey y'all. So we're about to go to the gun range, and we're probably gonna do some stuff later on, but I'm gonna be vlogging today, of course. And I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the gun range. Hold on. Alright. We just arrived to the gun range. My mask is fogging up because my what's the name? We just arrived to the gun range. I'm gonna record when I get in there because the guy said I definitely can record. Closed toe shoes, no lug cut shirts. Right here. Oh, not that one, right here. They got a dog in here. Right there, it's a pit bull. I said that because you could hear it outside the door. No, these targets. Girl, I think that's just for paper. That's the Target's food. Look, them is the Targets. These is just baby ones. No, they for Targets too to see if you got a better eye. Ready? What I do? What I do? You ready, Karina? What's up? Ready, Dancy? Ready?
Hey guys, we're back with another brother, sister segment. We're about to go to gun range, our first experience, the twins, they got the twins, green underbrim, pink underbrim. Carrie, shout out to Carrie, Jamal, Brendan. Polo, shout out to Polo.
I can't trust that you gotta go through class. Once you have, you already.
Wait, like shot here before?
Just shut it off.
Oh no, they've shot before, but they haven't shot here.
How much?
What do you mean, how much?
How much have they shot? Like once or twice, or like once?
A few times, I guess. I don't know. How much have y'all shot? A few times? Yeah, 6 of us.
You guys really tough.
I want to pet the dog.
Not you, Dodo.
Can I pet the dog? Who's Puppy? Can I pet him? Yes! Let me show you the dog. Look at the dog. She's like, yeah, I don't feel like getting up. Come play with me before I lie. Cutie. I'm bringing back. Look at the puppies.
That's it?
Thank you.
I will see you tomorrow. All right. Oh, aquí nace.
What? You took everything with you?
Yep.
Move over, big booty. You taking up the whole thing. Gotta sign the waiver.
Are you guys paying together or separate? How much split this up between you guys?
It's two.
How you do that? I ain't paying for her. Am I paying for her?
Don't do that. Don't do that with my niece.
So you get up to 100 rounds of 9 per person and 60 rounds per person of the AR.
Okay, so that sounds good. What do you, first of all, you're not a child, right?
Girl, where it says it's in 8. It's an idiot. Read. You don't read. Reading is fundamental.
Good. If you want to meet you in the back class or start the video, just turn right down the hallway, see the class on the left.
You can ask him. I think it's $20.
I'll be back there in just a second. Start that video.
How much is it, Brina?
Oh, get your stuff. Is that your pen?
No, none of these are mine.
Thank you.
That was like one of my pens from the house.
We done lied on the damn waiver, y'all.
You're going to jail.
We finna go to jail. I'm finna put that meme in there. Y'all are going to jail.
Right here? Wait.
Oh, oh, damn, they shooting whole buffaloes. Oh, all is real? Oh, this is tough. Look, y'all. I always wanted one of these type things in my house. So basically what this is a wall of accomplishments from the owner of the gun range of all of the animals he's pretty much, well, most of the animals that he's pretty much killed and shot. And this is just him showing them off. So it was pretty cool to see.
Together.
Oh. Oh. Just say it's been a long time since we shot. The hell?
Oh, this chair hard as hell.
They got us in a class. They gonna kick you out, you idiot.
Sexy little bitch, sexy little hoe. I love the way you walk, I love the way you talk. Let a young nigga come play your throat. You stomp your throat till I make you choke. Oh, baby.
I used to be when we was in school when the teacher left out the classroom for 5 seconds.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath. He teaching y'all.
Then go. Da, da. Then you keep on shooting. I like when they run though. When they run, chase them up down. That y'all go to the woods, try to hunt some bodies.
Oh my God. Y'all did not hear that here, yo. He ain't say that.
Nah, I'm on hunting animals now.
He's talking about bodies as in
Hey,
animals.
Happy birthday. You can't see it because they had Trump 2020 Virginia.
Really?
Buyers. I'm a Trump supporter.
Shut up. Oh, they doing the class everybody at once. Okay. Makes sense.
I got a stereo all of a sudden.
This video sucks, so for legal reasons, you gotta watch it.
Oh, this is
Let me see your prep. Okay.
something like.
Okay.
Like.
That mother.
That little.
Let's try it again. Pull it in, because I want to see where it's going. Pull it in.
You hit the neck. Let's see what she hit. She hit the neck for sure.
No, I hit up here and I hit down there. All in a second. No, I didn't.
Nah, she only hit the. She hit the heart. Did
Joey
hit the
him
heart?
twice.
No, that's not the heart.
He's like, I got more hits than you.
I only shot 4 shots, nigga.
1, 2,
Near the
3,
groin.
4.
I only shot 4 shots. I wanted to see where it was
Yeah,
going so I could see if I'm on control. All right, send it back out.
Bang, bang.
I wanted to see where it was going so I could see if I'm on control. Send it back out.
You watching my story?
I'll bring my second one.
So nobody want to play with this? They gonna do it? Y'all want to play with it? I got chef. Y'all want to play with it? Huh? In your case.
So do this one first time?
Yeah. No,
No, this one's easy. It's that one you got to worry about. I can move next to you, so.
Yeah, that. The AR sweet.
Yeah. That's like lightweight.
Hit that right there. Yeah, that's the AR.
I didn't ever learn how to load these type of bullets. You know how to put these in?
Yeah, I just loaded them joints. That's how you cut my motherfucking finger.
Yeah, I cut my finger the first time too because my hand was in the wrong spot.
Oh, that shit. Two at the same time. You got me on camera. See, I was supposed to get on camera shooting that thing. I just small. I'm smelling good. Now, let me see. Let me help you.
This is how you load them. He a pro. Okay, I see you, boy. I have a future career. I see you. Yeah. This one right here, that's me. You gonna zoom it out or anything, Delonte? Or you in a good angle? What's going on? Come out. Ready?
Go ahead.
Switch.
It's not loaded.
It's not what?
It's not loaded.
Your uncle got you. Push it in. There's one already in there. Put that down.
Just shoot it.
Yeah, pick up, shoot. I gotta say, you gotta hold that joint though. That thumb, yeah. This thumb. Don't, yeah. You gotta hold that bitch. That bitch got kicked.
I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. Just hold it and control it. Just know that it got a little kick. Shoot the first one so you can get it off your shoulders.
Gotta be tight and shoot.
Huh?
Shoot.
Just shoot it.
Take a deep breath, let that out and let it go.
So you can get the nervousness out so you can see what it's going to do. Just shoot it. Alright, now that you see what it's going to do, control
Oh
it.
wow, you shot the head too. You shot the head. Sheesh.
I ain't gonna hold you. This nigga dead. She had nigga 2 wiggies, 3 wiggies.
Wait, she said I'm going for the head.
Where you ever doing that?
Mine's right here.
Yeah, not to fix her thing. She hit the carrier.
Is she getting up?
She did, but she fixed herself.
I'm about to hit your.
That shit ain't yeah.
She hitting 9s and 10s right now, baby.
Well,
Get him again right there.
hey,
Go back there.
Price in the same spot.
Yeah.
Oh, you beat my
Go back
drink.
there.
Oh, no, well, you got 2. You got hit one more. Oh, yeah, she got 3 and a half.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that nigga dead. He go hard.
Come down some more. Come down.
Oh wow.
Another 10.
He got back.
A shit. That nigga's dead.
Yeah, he been
3.
dead. He been dead. He was dead where he was.
You done? That was
Yeah,
10?
that's it.
Here, switch out.
On the way to the nail salon. I'm with my dudes.
They smoked her. But
We at the nail salon. Look.
You know, out there. I would do a battle like that, but that's it.
Karina, say hi to the camera.
Hey, y'all.
You was dry.
Smoking wasn't the word. Alright.
He took the polish off my nails. And then he went to go do somebody's lashes. And then he said he'll be back. Let me see your nails. Aren't they done?
Yeah, but can they get cleaned up and stuff first? Like, you know your camera got too good of a quality.
Hey, nice. Oh, yeah, y'all showed up.